Jamaica, watch this.
Total darkness. It's what about 305,000 JPS customers are still facing a week after Hurricane Melissa. But the Jamaica Public Service says it's making steady progress with restoration work. President Hugh Grant gave this update.
In regards to our overall restoration, right after the passage of Hurricane Melissa, we had in the order of 23% of customers in. To date, we have over 55% of customers in service. That's over 380,000 customers.
Mr. Grant says restoration is being done in categories. He used an analogy of a river and its functions to explain.
Whereby you have a source with a generator, and then that source has a main channel, which is a river.
Category 1, Mr. Grant says.
So St. Mary and St. Anne, we're making good progress there. Assessment is going well. Critical facilities, we have our eyes on Port Maria Hospital, St. Anne's Hospital, and town centers, and we will get to you.